on this frequency. Please remove yourselves.
Can you dig this, Josh? And group members? All I did was scan for channel, and I know the rules 1 through 15, you know, I can't transmit, and I have not. That was his 4th time stating that in the past, let's say, a minute and a half now. Haven't said a word. I really don't. I want to sleep like a baby at all times, Josh. I'm going to give it another minute to see if he does it again, or, you know, says that again. I know it's not me. He's, you know, referring to someone else.
Thank you very much.
Okay, yeah, see, they replied to him, and you guys get it. All right, peace and love. God bless you and your entire family. Excuse me, and the entire group. Thank you very much for accepting my request.